Hello you guys, welcome back to another video. So tonight, can you guess what I'm having again? Oh, probably by the title you can. I made my biscuits and gravy. It's just so easy to make, so cheap, and we were craving it. And then I got some wine. Y'all about to see a Tipsy Skylar. Ooh. I started drinking, but not that much. I wanted to save it for their cam. There's not much wine that I like, but Moscato is definitely #1 because it's so sweet. This is the brand. I don't normally get this brand, but I don't know, it was in the refrigerated section and it looked pretty, so got the wine, got the lit Christmas tree, and the food. Let's go. Babe is off to the side, watching something on his Xbox. He has the headset in, so that's why you don't hear any TV noise in the background. So good.
It's better every time.
Every time. Normally my gravy is like super thick or thicker than this, but I don't know why. Maybe I didn't like stir it enough or let it cook long enough. It's a little runnier than normal, but the flavor's there and it's soaking into the biscuits and it's just it's so good.
That's what you get.
Motherfucker. I might need more gravy. Hold up real quick. Okay. Now it's definitely got enough gravy. I'm gonna also light a candle so we can really get into the spirit. I got the marshmallow fireside. This is so good. It smells so cozy, like I'm in a cabin in Colorado or Tennessee, which is, oh my god, hopefully where we will be next month. Oh my god, don't be sparking up at me, boy. That look good? Oh, I don't want it too close. Okay, whatever. So good. Gravy, man. It's like I couldn't imagine putting these on potatoes. Right? I also have some water. And I don't know, usually if I have like this much or more, I start to feel a little tipsy because I'm a super lightweight. I don't drink that much anymore. Oh, it's so good. So sweet. So how are we doing today? How's life? I hope you had a good day. Hi, Mama. And in case you were wondering if I'm of age to be drinking, yes, I am. I'm 24. I know I look very young, like I'm 18 or 19. I get that all the time. But I am of age. Otherwise, I would not be drinking on YouTube. So I was gonna do like eat with me / Bath and Body Works haul, but I don't know if I could be doing that multitask. I might, if I make one video, it's gonna be like super long. Maybe I'll do 2 separate videos. By the time I do the Bath and Body Works haul, I might be tipsy as hell. But you saw, we went tonight and got some lotion because they had the travel size hand creams for $1.75 and they're normally like $4. So I OD'd on those. And then I also had a free fizzy ball, which is like a bath bomb, like a Lush bath bomb. I had a coupon for free one, so I got that. And then I had a $10 off 30 coupon, so I got $30 worth of stuff and I got $10 off. So my total ended up being like $20 and something change, and I got a lot of stuff. I'm gonna go turn the air on because it's already hot. I already feel my cheeks getting rosy. Be right back. I also have, oh, did it get dark? I turned my kitchen light off. That doesn't look too saturated, right? I think it looks okay. That'll work. All right. I also got an avocado. Abby, no. Don't you do it. She was about to walk right in front of the camera. So I'm just gonna cut this open because it will go bad within the next day if we don't eat it. Oh. It's a little brown at the tops, but I'm sure it's still gonna be good. Put a little salt on it. I don't wanna make a mess. You want some?
Maybe on my next bowl.
On your next bowl?
Yeah, the shit's already about gone.
Oh my gosh. Someone likes the biscuits and gravy. Put the avocado right in to the bowl. It just makes it so creamy. Like if it wasn't creamy enough already. Oh my god, big bite. I was thinking of like doing a live stream later. This isn't gonna be up in time for you to know, but I don't know. If I get tipsy enough and ballsy enough, I just might. We'll see. Hopefully for Christmas, Santa gets me some bamboo forks and spoons and just eating utensils, so I'm not scraping because that sounded so cringy. Let me know if you guys like Tipsy mukbangs or me drinking and my mukbangs. Let me know if you want to see more, because I'll be happy to do it. Like I said, I don't drink often. The last time I drank was like Thanksgiving, and I only had a glass of wine then. But I'll definitely do it for future mukbangs, like in a video or so, or something like that. I love Crown apple, like Crown Royal apple with a ginger ale. That's my stuff. Damn, did you leave me any?
Yeah, 1.5. I said 1.5.
Fill that bowl up the second time. Here's your avocado.
Not mine?
Mm-hmm.
Seriously?
Do you not want it?
No, I
or?
do, thank you.
I don't really know what to talk about in this mukbang. I'm just kind of like chilling, going with the flow, you know. Damn, it's still hot. Like, come through, air. I set my AC on like 73. Abby, can you say hi?
You're warm.
I'm warm. I guess I gotta drink more water. Yes, I'm vegan. No, I'm not healthy 100% of the time. I'm human. Like, I eat junk food. Just because I'm vegan doesn't mean I don't eat junk. I eat tons of junk food. I drink occasionally. I smoke hookah occasionally. You know? I'm like 85-15, like 85% I'll eat, you know, and drink clean, like plant-based and vegan, of course vegan, but you know, 85% healthy, and then 15% junk food, maybe the occasional drink. It's whatever I'm feeling. I just went in on the spices this time. Like, I didn't care what I was putting in it, because I knew it would be good. I got a sip of wine left. Why is my brother Snapchatting me? I feel like I gotta burp. That was crap. I originally wanted to drink a little bit before I did a mukbang, just so I was like kind of starting to get tipsy, but I didn't want to ruin my appetite. Like, I didn't want to be tipsy and then like not appreciate the goodness that this biscuits and gravy recipe is, you know. So there's wine. It had peach and apricot, so it's super sweet, but not overpowering, you know. Numminess. That sound though. Also, what I've been loving, I've had them before, but I got a jar. I've never bought a jar of banana peppers, and I forgot we bought them. So when I opened the cabinet yesterday, I'm like, no shit. Mild pepper rings. Oh my gosh, they are addicting. They're so good. don't worry, me and Bae are the only ones that eat out of this jar, so I can put my licked knife in there if I wanted to. Oh, I bit my fucking cheek. Why do I always do that? Those are so freaking good. I want to start pickling my own veggies. Like making homemade pickles. Oh my gosh. Yeah, that'd be so good. I love these banana peppers on a sub. Like on very soft bread with like spinach, cucumber, tomato, maybe some vegan meats and chow cheese. So good. Or on a pizza. My other video when I ate the pizza, I forgot I had these, otherwise I would have totes put them on there. I love them. You want one, babe?
Yeah.
You're welcome. I was also gonna put makeup on for this mukbang, just to be a little extra sassy, but who the F am I trying to impress? Damn, I really want seconds, but I'm full.
Want me to get?
What? What did you say?
Want me to get?
No, I said I'm full.
I heard you just means you don't want to get up.
No, that's not what I mean. I mean I'm full. Like, I can't eat anything right now. Let me burp a couple times, you know, drink a little bit of something, and then I will.
Better hurry.
Boy, you are not touching my seconds. Who do you think you are? All right. See, so that tasted like lotion. The video is already at 24 minutes. With editing, it'll probably come down to like 22 minutes. I might do a separate video. I think I'm gonna do a separate video of my Bath and Body Works haul. All right, I'm gonna do a separate video. So be sure to watch part 2 of this Tipsy with Skylar video series, maybe? I don't know. And I might have seconds of my biscuits and gravy, so stay tuned to watch that. Bye!